Hi guys, I'm Nick from ECD. This is our latest project to roll off the assembly line, Project Defiant. We're going for our first drive. Some cool features about this project is the panoramic roof. It goes all the way to the back, so it's 3 rolls of panoramic. It's got a normal sunroof in the front. It's got a LT4 supercharged V8. Makes for a really nice ride quality. It does look like we might have to level out our ride height a little bit. Seems to be leaning a little to the right side. So on an LT4 supercharged truck, we typically look for our shift patterns are pretty good. Seems like we might have to do a little bit of adjustment there, some tuning, get that all sorted out. Also on the trucks with the panoramic glass on top that are paired with a roll cage like this one is, of course we have to ensure that we have plenty of clearance between the roll cage hardware and the glass, so we're not knocking or banging or breaking any glass. We'll also check our steering, make sure that our steering wheel's straight. This one's close, got a slight adjustment to do there. Tire pressure monitors not quite set up yet. We got to make sure that that's programmed. Exhaust is sounding nice. Doesn't sound like there's any leaks or anything. That's especially important when you got a supercharged truck because you want to hear every bit of that whistle from the supercharger. So after we get a few of those things sorted out, we're going to run it through our quality control inspection. They're going to go from top to bottom, check out what we've done. They're going to give us some recommendations on things that we can improve on, maybe placement, wiring, routing, things of that nature. We'll go ahead and do any necessary fixes or repairs and get it ready for shipping. Our QC process is a very important part of our building process and our business plan. We like to make sure that every small detail is taken care of, that our customers are getting a perfect truck, and it helps us work on innovations and quality improvements on every build. It's a live process that happens every truck, so every truck we build, they get better. Now we'll give it a little push, see what she's got. We'll head back to the shop with our reports of our findings.